Okay, we're gonna do the massage gun for upper back tightness. Basically, you want to turn it on and follow the muscle group that goes all the way from the ear to your trap here. If you like my content, please subscribe. I post a lot of good, helpful stuff. So you're going to put it right here, and you're going to gently go up and down, up and down. You want to go back and forth in small strokes. There's a clavicle bone here, and there's a shoulder bone here. You want to do your best to avoid those bony aspects. So side to side like that, up and down. And then once that's done, you want to follow the scapular bone. So there's a bone right here, the scapular bone. You want to follow and go right on the inside of it here. And you're going to go up and down, up and down. So I'll have her put her hand behind her. See how that sticks out there? You want to just fall into that and just follow that groove. In, up, down, and avoid the spine here. So all these bones, just avoid hitting them and follow the path, and you're going to feel so much better. Boom.